and welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a close look at the unreleased, that's right, I said unreleased, women's exclusive Air Jordan 3 in the rust pink colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Also, hit this video with a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions after this unboxing and review, be sure to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as feel free to check out those membership perks. We've got so many amazing tiers for our members, so be sure to check that out when you have a moment, as well as our merch store. So as mentioned earlier, we are going to be talking about the unreleased women's exclusive Air Jordan 3 silhouette in the rust pink colorway. And let me tell you, this is a stunning color. So shout out to the Jordan team for sending this shoe over so I can do this amazing unboxing for you guys. But first, we're going to go through the overview, talk about the amazing color blocking that's going on with the specific colorway. Then we're going to talk about size and fit of the shoe, so you guys are prepped and ready before this drops, so you know exactly what size will work for you. Then we're going to talk about styling. This is going to be an insanely perfect colorway for the spring, summertime. So be sure to stick around for that section. And then we are going to conclude and talk about how much these will be going for retail. All right, let's jump into it. So starting with the nubuck suede that we've got going on here on the front of that toe box. This is in this beautiful rust pink. This is such a nice nubuck leather upper. It's so soft, it's so smooth, and this is just a beautiful colorway. It reminds me of kind of a blush hue, and I feel like it's one of those just nice kind of neutral pinks that's going to go with everything and anything in your wardrobe. So let's work our way up to the tongue here. We've got just nice crisp white laces that I think really pop off of that kind of blush tone coming off of that rust pink. Then we've got nice, just bright pops of this crimson colorway. And that really pops off of the sail on that tongue. Let me tell you, it's literally like so bright, but it really works so well with that rustic pink color scheme going on. As you can see, the bright crimson is also on the eyelets here on the sides, which I think is just a perfect accent for this rust pink color scheme. And if you are thinking that you don't like the white laces with this, they do give you a secondary lace option, which is amazing. So you can also add a little more rust pink to your palette if you want, or you can keep it with the white. I love it both ways. I definitely love it with the white, but I can definitely see myself lacing it with rustic pink as well. Also, it comes with this really dope hang tag here, the Jumpman Air logo going on in that bright crimson color scheme. I think this is a really, really cool hang tag that they've added to this shoe. So let's take a close look at those details. Now let's move on to the side panels of the shoe. So we've got more of that nubuck leather suede moving on the medial, and it goes all the way to the back of the heel counter, and we've got this nicely embroidered Jumpman logo, and it's actually very subtle, which I kind of like. It's in that rust pink color scheme. Wrapping around to the lateral side of the shoe, we've got more of that smooth nubuck leather going on. And then one of my favorite parts of the shoe is that elephant print. This is the OG elephant print that we're used to seeing on the 3 silhouette. You can see it on the front of the toe box there, and also on the back of the side panels here on the back of that heel. Now when we get into the collar, we've got more of that sail color scheme and a white insole with, it looks like a pop of that bright crimson colorway for the Jumpman logo on the inside as well. All right, so now let's move down to the midsole, which is just a nice clean white tone. And we're gonna finish it off with that icy white, clear, actually not white, but just clear outsole. And there you have it. That is the woman's exclusive in the rust pink colorway. I think this is a beautiful color, and I'm so excited for you guys to see how I styled it. So let's take a last and final look at those close details. All right, so let's jump into sizing. I am a woman's size 9, and I would definitely say stick true to size on this one. Again, this is a woman's exclusive, so this will be in women's sizing. I do have high arch, narrow feet, so obviously depending on whether or not you have flat feet or if you have wide feet, this will also decipher what size will work best for you. I do also like to wear my shoes on the larger end, and I like to wear them in a loose fit. So definitely take those all into consideration before deciding which shoe size will fit perfect for you. All right, so now let's jump into styling. I had so much fun styling these. This is just such a refreshing color that I really don't have in my shoe collection currently. So for the first look, I decided to basically rock some of the items that Jordan sent over to me, and one of those is this t-shirt. This t-shirt just gives me this really kind of retro flavor and feel to it. This is part of the Heatwave collection that's going to be coming out, and this is a woman's tee in a size small for those of you wondering what size this is. Has some great, just nice Jordan embroidered detailing going on in that hot pink color scheme, but I just love how bright and vibrant this is. It's really just getting me into how we're changing seasons and just hopping into summer. I paired that with a pair of the Heatwave biker shorts that they also sent over, and this is just like the perfect combo. It's got the same tones in it with the purples and the hot pinks that match this tee perfectly with that Jumpman logo at the top there. Also, it's nice because they got that side pocket on the right side of the hip, so you can put your smartphone in it. But these just are very breathable. They're lightweight. It's perfect for hot weather, which we all know New York is about to hit the 90-degree temperature mark. But these are just a refreshing new look for anyone who's looking to diversify their wardrobe as we get into the warmer season, which is why I think the collection Heatwave is the perfect name. And so Very happy to pair these two together for that first look, and I think it really just pops so well with that rusty pink.
Yes, I'ma love you like you love Johnny Cash.
I'll be your gangster, I'll be your man in black.
I know what I'm doing, yeah, don't need a map.
I got the juice to throw your train off the track. Honey, do whatever you want, I'll be watching.
Get a little too close, oh, smile with touching. No, I'm not fronting, I'm just stating a fact.
I'll rock your world, I'll knock you flat on your back.
When I'm broke, I'm really good boy. When I'm bad, I'm better.
All right, so for the second look, another Jordan combo. This time, this is in the kids sizing. That's right, ladies. You can fit little girls if you're around my size and fit. So I actually wore a medium in that t-shirt, and I wore it kind of like a crop top. It's nice and tie-dyed in this white and pink marbling, and I got the matching biker shorts to go with it, which I think that Jumpman logo is so dope because it's also got that kind of tie-dye effect in the color scheme of it as well. And I think that pink just really played so well again with the rusty pink in this palette of the shoe.
When I'm bad, I'm better. You be my bunny, baby, I'll be your Clyde.
Hit the ignition and I'll give you a ride.
Swing of your hips has got me fit to be tied.
I'm shaking tail and taking names on the side. Honey, do whatever you want, I'll be watching.
Get a little too close.
For the last and final look, I decided to go off kind of the beaten path into a different color scheme, but I wanted to keep it pastel-like just because of the nice tones I was seeing in the rusty pink of this shoe. So for the last and final look, I wore a Nike cargo jacket paired with some matching cargo pants. And those are kind of in this seafoam teal color scheme. And I think that seafoam teal just really goes so well with the rusty pink. And it's just a nice, refreshing look that I feel like I'm so excited to rock for the springtime.
Now we're touching. No, I'm not fronting, I'm just stating a fact.
I'll rock your world and knock you flat on your back. When I'm broke, I'm really good boy. When I'm bad, I'm better.
When I'm good, I'm really good girl. When I'm bad, I'm better.
When I'm broke, I'm really good boy. When I'm bad, I'm better.
When I'm good, I'm really good girl. When I'm bad, I'm better. When I'm bad.
All right, you guys, so you let me know down below what was your favorite look out of the three. let's talk about how much these are retailing for. So these are going to be going for $190, which is a great price point. I think this is a very fashionable, exciting new colorway that I haven't seen in the 3 silhouette. So I'm very stoked to be rocking this for the spring, summertime, and hope that you guys will add this to your wardrobe too. All right. Again, thanks so much for tuning in to another one of my unboxings and reviews. If you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up also if you haven't already. And be sure to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out those membership perks and our merch store. All right, everyone. Thanks again for tuning in to another one of my episodes. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next video.